Are you tired of the daily grind? Do you dream of exploring new cultures and breathtaking landscapes? Imagine waking up to the sound of the ocean instead of your alarm clock. What if you could fund your adventures while traveling the world? It's not a fantasy. More and more people are ditching their 9-to-5 jobs to embrace a life of travel and freedom. They are discovering that earning money on the go is not only possible, but also incredibly rewarding. This guide will provide practical tips and real-world examples to help you turn your travel dreams into a reality. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting to plan your first big adventure, this guide is for you. We'll explore various methods to generate income while you explore the globe. You'll learn about remote work, freelancing, and unique job opportunities that cater to travelers. Get ready to break free from the ordinary and embark on a journey of a lifetime. It's time to trade your desk for the beach and start earning on the go. The rise of remote work has been a game changer for travelers. With a laptop and a good internet connection, you can work from anywhere in the world. Many companies now offer fully remote positions, allowing employees to live and work wherever they choose. To find remote work opportunities, browse online job boards specifically designed for remote workers. Websites like We Work Remotely and Remote.co list a wide range of remote jobs in various fields. Networking is also crucial. Attend industry events and connect with people in your field who are already working remotely. Once you've landed a remote job, it's important to establish a productive work routine. Find a quiet and comfortable workspace, whether it's a co-working space, a cafe, or your hotel room. Set clear boundaries between work time and leisure time to ensure you can enjoy your travels without neglecting your responsibilities. Freelancing offers unparalleled flexibility for travelers. As a freelancer, you're your own boss, setting your own hours and choosing your clients. This allows you to seamlessly integrate work into your travel plans. Whether you're a writer, web developer, graphic designer, or virtual assistant, there's a freelance market for your skills. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com connect freelancers with clients worldwide. Build a strong online portfolio showcasing your expertise and start bidding on projects that match your skills and interests. Networking is also vital for freelancers. Attend online and offline events to connect with potential clients and collaborate with fellow freelancers. Managing your time effectively is crucial for freelance success. Set realistic deadlines and prioritize tasks to ensure you deliver high-quality work while enjoying your travels. Remember to factor in time zone differences when communicating with clients and meeting deadlines. Do you have a hobby or passion that you could turn into a business? Traveling the world can provide the perfect opportunity to monetize your skills and interests. If you're a talented photographer, offer your services to fellow travelers or local businesses. Passionate about cooking, host cooking classes or food tours showcasing local cuisine. Love yoga or fitness, lead classes or workshops for travelers and locals alike. Get creative and think outside the box. The possibilities are endless, and your unique skills and passions can be your ticket to earning money while you explore the world. Promote your services through social media, online platforms, and local networking. Word of mouth is also powerful, so don't be afraid to tell people about your passion and how you can share it with others. Section 5. The world is your classroom, get paid to teach. Teaching English as a foreign language, or TFL, is a popular way to earn money while traveling. Many countries around the world have a high demand for English teachers, and you don't necessarily need a teaching degree to get started. Obtaining a TFL certification can enhance your qualifications and increase your earning potential. Online platforms like italki and Verbling connect English teachers with students worldwide, offering the flexibility to teach from anywhere with an internet connection. You can also find teaching positions at language schools, universities, or private institutions in your destination countries. Teaching allows you to immerse yourself in a new culture, connect with locals, and make a positive impact while earning a living. Remember to research visa requirements and teaching opportunities in your desired destinations. Networking with other teachers can provide valuable insights and support as you navigate the world of TFL. Section 6. Lights, Camera, Action. Document your adventures. If you have a knack for storytelling and a love for travel, consider documenting your adventures through blogging, vlogging, or photography. Sharing your experiences can inspire others and even generate income. Create engaging content that showcases your unique perspective and the beauty of the places you visit. Build a strong online presence through a website or social media platforms. Connect with other travel bloggers and vloggers to learn from their experiences and collaborate on projects. Monetize your content through advertising, affiliate marketing, or by selling your photos and videos. Consistency is key in the world of content creation. Post regularly and engage with your audience to build a loyal following. Don't be afraid to experiment with different formats and styles to find what resonates best with your audience. Section 7. Work locally, live globally. Don't overlook the opportunity to work locally in your destination countries. Many countries offer short-term work visas or permit casual work for travelers. Look for jobs in hospitality, tourism, retail, or seasonal work. These jobs may not be glamorous, but they can provide valuable income, local experiences, and a chance to connect with people from different cultures. Check local job boards, visit businesses in person, and network with other travelers to find local work opportunities. Be prepared to be flexible and adaptable, as job requirements and conditions may vary from country to country. Working locally can enhance your travel experience by providing a deeper understanding of the local culture and lifestyle. Budgeting is essential for sustainable travel, especially when you're also earning money on the go. Track your income and expenses meticulously to ensure you're staying within your means. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to monitor your spending and identify areas where you can cut costs. Prioritize experiences over material possessions. Seek out free activities, cook your own meals, and take advantage of budget-friendly transportation options. Research the cost of living in your destination countries and adjust your spending accordingly. Be realistic about your earning potential and adjust your travel plans as needed. Remember that travel doesn't have to be expensive to be rewarding. With careful planning and budgeting, you can make your travel dreams a reality without breaking the bank. Equipping yourself with the right tools can enhance your productivity and efficiency as a digital nomad. A reliable laptop, a fast and secure internet connection, and a comfortable workspace are essential. Invest in noise-canceling headphones to minimize distractions and enhance focus. Use project management tools to stay organized and on top of deadlines. Communication tools like Slack and Zoom facilitate seamless collaboration with clients and colleagues. Cloud storage services like Google Drive or Dropbox allow you to access your files from anywhere with an internet connection. Explore travel hacking strategies to maximize your travel rewards and minimize costs. Sign up for travel credit cards, join airline loyalty programs, and research budget-friendly accommodation options. While traveling and working remotely offers incredible freedom, it's crucial to prioritize your safety and protect your income. Be mindful of your surroundings, especially when working in public spaces. Use strong passwords and two-factor authentication to secure your online accounts. Avoid connecting to public Wi-Fi networks without using a VPN to encrypt your internet traffic. Back up your important data regularly to prevent loss or theft. Research the safety and security conditions in your destination countries before you travel. Stay informed about local scams and take precautions to protect yourself from fraud. Be wary of suspicious emails or messages, and never share your personal or financial information with untrusted sources. Earning money while traveling is no longer a pipe dream. With a little creativity, determination, and the right resources, you can turn your travel aspirations into a reality. Embrace the remote work revolution, unleash your freelance potential, or turn your passion into a profitable venture. The world is your oyster, and the possibilities are endless. Remember to budget wisely, prioritize your safety, and equip yourself with the essential tools for success as a digital nomad. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone, embrace new experiences, and connect with people from all walks of life. Your adventure awaits. Start planning your journey today and discover the freedom and fulfillment of earning on the go.